Hello everyone, today I'm going to review Espresso coffee maker from Miyako. So this is the box. Those are the things inside the box you will get. First of all, an instruction manual which is very detailed. Then you will get a spoon, a filter and two filter cups. And those filter cups are of different size. As you can see, it's for 2 cup and it's for 1 cup. Before starting the coffee machine, you need to remove a red tape from here. This is the water holder right here. In the water container you see 2 mark, one says minimum, one says maximum. This is the minimum level of water you should have before starting making a coffee. And this is how it goes. It all touch. Once you start the power, it will take some time to start. Once the blinking stops, you can start working. But remember, for the first time there you can't make a coffee, so first time you have to let it go. From the second time you can start making coffee. See, it's still blinking. Once the blinking will stop, you can start. And there is 2 more menu. One is single, one double. There is program, there is steam. This single actually used for if you want to make espresso. The double will be used if you want to make a americano. And for latte and cappuccino you can use this steam bar. There is also an adjuster. I also brought a mocha pot for cappuccino and latte. This one is not included, you can buy it. I also brought a crusher, that is a manual crusher. If you are on budget, you can buy this manual crusher. If you have the budget, you can go for a machine crusher, but you actually don't need one, because if you buy coffee beans from a coffee shop, if you can ask them to crush this for you. As we can see here, the blinking stops. That means it's ready to make the coffee. If you want to make a latte or a cappuccino, all you need to do is put this steam on and wait till the blinking is off. So for steaming, all you need to do is press this on. I'm going to show you how to make an americano with this. So I'm using the large cup, which is 2 cup. So with this spoon or the help of here, I can get some coffee from here. All I need to do is put this coffee in the cup. And from this side you can use it as to press. We've given it a nice press. Then all you need to do is set this filter right here, put a cup, and I'm pressing it up. As you can see, it have already started. See, the coffee is coming out. So as you can see, the americano is ready, and they made a bit of foam here as well. So overall, this is a very good machine, very recommended for home use. If you want to enjoy a good cup of coffee, you can have it. It will cost around like 10 to 11,000 BDT in Bangladesh. You can get a better if you want, and if you are on budget, then this Miyako coffee maker works just fine.